Okay. Good morning, everyone. Let's just get set up and then I'll share everything. Currently, just obviously a quick start of this. I lost on GJ just now. And GN I'm in still. So, what's happening in Catan as well? Can't add you in because you both don't have a device not connected. And on that note, let's play some music. Oh my god, I haven't done a stream in so long. I feel like there's a million things to do. Team. Do you guys prefer a camera on or off? On, off, on, off.
I can see your pretty little face.
I can't even hear you, Brendan. I don't know if it's me or you. You're really crackly. Brendan, oh Brendan, I can't hear you. No, I can't. You have gone missing. I have no friends. Okay. GP NZD is looking okay. GBP USD bouncing on this zone. So look at DXY. DXY is unconfirmed, meaning GBP USD. I wanted buys on GBP USD today, so let me just share GJ stop loss hit. GN still running. DAX this morning was all over. Oh man, there was really good buys last night. I was actually looking at a buy last night. FTSE looking good for a push. Oh, Euro AUD. Euro AUD would be great for pullback and entry. That's what I'm looking at. I checked on YouTube, Brendan. Mine seems to be okay, I think. So anyone live who can hear me okay? Okay. What's happening, Ketan? I haven't heard you in a while. I can't seem to add you in because apparently you do not have the device, which is an interesting comment. Euro AUD would be nice just for a pattern A entry. This is way better. Hello to you, Brendan. I'm just going to update my journal. I'll probably get some better lighting in here for you guys, make it more aesthetically pleasing. Right, 24th of June. Let's get this. GPNZD could hit stop loss with this one. I might have my last trade here on GBP AUD, which will be a buy. GPAUD looks good. I've been watching this for a while. I've been waiting for this breakout onto the upside for a while now. Good morning. So Dean Haynes says, hey bro, what broker are you using? You trade index pairs like US30, NAS and that's all. Yeah, I trade index pairs. I actually love, so if you must be new to following me and the channel and stuff, but ultimately DAX is what a lot of us on the team trade. We trade DAX based on quite a few reasons. Number one is the linear of the pair is very easy to read. It works well with the strategy. And number three, the proven track record of back testing just seems to work with DAX very, very well. So that's why we trade it. Wow, JPY is absolutely mooned. And then I use quite a few brokers. We've got IC, we've got Icon, FTMO, my Forex funds. I'm going to be opening CTI later as well. So City Traders Imperium. So there's like 5 accounts. I always seem to struggle to identify the breakout point on currency pairs. So don't identify breakouts then. You know, there's no need to try and force breakouts. If you said it there in your own sentence and words, you're struggling with it, then don't do it. You know, there's many ways to trade. You can trade in consolidation, you can trade on retracement, you can trade on pullback, you can trade retest, you can trade continuation, you can trade scalping, swing. There's many ways, many men. So yeah, don't get stuck on one idea. Right, so let's have a quick little breakdown on GBP/JPY. I'm just going to type this up as well. So today, first trade today was GBP/JPY. We had a pattern, a setup which was formed. So entry was good, stop loss was there too. Ironically, the things that held me back on this trade or was against me, quote unquote, was 4-hour time frame and 800 MA on the 30-min chart. 10-minute clean, but that doesn't matter because a higher time frame always wins over lower time frame. Doesn't always, but most of the time. So we'll put that in the journal. We've got our next trade, which is GBPNZD. We've got the same issue here. GBPNZD. GBPNZD entered on pattern A for a quick continuation trade onto the downside. 30 min looks like there is still room. 4 hour also still room. No, but overall movement is still higher, but EN, so Euro NZD, also shows a drop to before back up, hence the confirmation and confluences. So this trade is also fine. I think GJ was potentially something that we could have just left and just went with GN. But yeah, overall it's not really a bad trade. GBP JPY was one we could have avoided, but we didn't, so it is what it is. GBP AUD looks good for a buy, and this is probably going to be my last trade today. So let's look at this. May close GBP. GBP NZD soon. I'm going to give GN another 7 minutes before deciding. Let's see if we enter hold this or not. I'm definitely a scalper. I'll get sorted and join your premium and signals next month. Just don't have all my time focused on trading at the minute to be able to appreciate to use it now. Yeah, man. Just message me on Instagram or Telegram. Telegram's probably easier, especially if it's trading related. Because if you message me on Instagram, I'll be telling you to message me on Telegram. You can message me there. That's kind of creepy. Let me shut the door. Yeah, signals is the way, because there's loads of content here as well to help learning if you want to. Let's have a look at our YouTube channel. It looks like GN's going to hit stop loss. I may close it myself in a minute. Yeah, I'm going to eat it. I'm just going to eat the stop loss. Minus 1.5R. Well, actually more than that. Minus 1.9. Let's just call it 2R. Very close. That's 2R so far. That's 1.7. I'll check it out later. Let's play some music. could have a breakout here on GPAUD. That's what I'm potentially waiting for. GBP CAD, GBJPY. GBJPY is probably a change of trend at that rate. GBUSD. GBUSD is great. I wanted to buy this morning, which is I couldn't. There was no confirmation bar for me to join. Euro NZD looks good here. It's a very good buy right now on Euro NZD. Okay, so Anton has sent some stuff for me to go through, so I'm going to go through it and actually make. We're going to try and make some in this session so we can create it together. So let's have a look. So this is progress, food for thought. Wow, this is really important. So key information, cryptocurrency, trading, fear, trading skills, being wrong. Oh, the APM, wasn't it? APM. Oh, I should probably not open this. Let me open it here instead. Just leave Euro GBP AUD here. Where's the 4 pillar of losses? Discipline, motivation. I swear we had the 4 pillars of losses. Where's that? What section is that? Let's have a look at contents page. What's up, Coos? Hey. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button for the channel, please. That will help. Holy Grail Psychology. Create your trading routine. Where's the losses? How to deal with losses. Section 3.3. Where's section 3.3? New approaches 3.3. Oh, here we go. 3.3 biggest lessons. Mental analysis, 4 pillars. There we go. Found it. probably one we should use. I think Euro NZD is gonna to roll higher today. GBP AUD. Wow, strong push on GJ. GBP CAD is at a breakout point as well. If it breaks this yellow zone, it's going to absolutely moon. Beautiful. Yeah, essentially, I kind of pretty much only trade on price action. I wait for price and then I take action. What's my view on Euro GBP? Probably looks higher in the higher time frames. You can see it's bottomed out at this section here, failed to break Tokyo high on the 22nd of June. So we're held on the support structure hugely. So probably a good push onto the upside. The euro is doing very well at the moment. So beautiful. Euro NZD pulled back, GBP NZD is running, GBP USD running, Euro USD running. So Euro NZD should run. I have a conviction Euro NZD will run later. For now, let's watch a GBP AUD. No problem. I think what we'll do is we'll go through a content today whilst we're here. Right, let's have a vote. So we've got a few people in here, so I'll let you guys vote. Let's see, should we go over, let's do this vote. So if you guys can just type out of this section, what do you want to go over? I'll go, let me give you a few. So we can either do consistency, psychology, consistency, and read this when you are. It's hard either way. So any of these four, here you go. Out of these four, which one do you guys want me to go over? These four, these three, sorry, four. Which one shall we review? Just keep an eye on your NZD. Just going to set an alert on your NZD here. Let's just send this into the signals. You guys want to go over any content? So we've got, let's have a look. Just something to go through. So it's hard either way. Psychology, consistency, and read this when you are struggling or losing, I think. So you guys pick. And once you pick which one, we'll go through it. It should help you with your trading. Just keep this one up for the time being. GBP AUD. If you just want to type which one you guys want to go through, just type it in the comments. Part of trading, we're literally just sitting and chilling. What's happening, you wait? Just waiting now, guys. Euro NZD is struggling. GBP USD is pushed. FTSE's gone. DAX could run from here now. Okay, so I guess what I'll do is I'll record this bit. I'm going to do a review of the week, I guess. That's probably a good idea. Okay, what's happening, guys? So today is the 24th of June, and back with another review and just overview. Before we start, quick reminder, this is obviously updated quite constantly, so I want you guys to make use of this kind of resources. So you just have to click on the resources, signals, content, it is there. So the victim mentality is up, be creating a blueprint, and beer goggles is the next that I'm doing. Zero thinking is up now. So for example, zero thinking is the concept of what is it that you would have done differently if you were 18 but you had all the knowledge right now. And then you can implement that into what it is you are right now in the current moment in time. So it was from a book I read, and I have basically done it myself there. Current, the June plan, which we talked about, a strategy, breakout guide. There's loads of things here for you guys to go through, and obviously the content in the course. So this week so far has been pretty okay. It's the first week back of doing the old strategy, which is like pattern A and the continuation of the trend. So it's been pretty simple. With this, I have definitely enjoyed trading a lot more, and it's definitely helped me, but it requires a lot more mentality, like psychologically, because BRE was so boring. Like, it is good though and it works, but you literally just set, forget, and then you just gotta wait for the pendings to hit, and then either hit stop loss or take profit. Whereas this, you're making a decision every 10 minutes, and it can be quite taxing and it does take its time, but it is very, very fun. And I prefer trading this way as well. So trading this way is a lot more, I think, satisfying, I think, and I just enjoy the idea of trading this way as well. So that's a quick update on that front with trading pattern A and the overall structure. Signals has been really good. I think we're in profit in a couple of R. I looked at SKW's results. He's got this Telegram bot that just completely copies all the signals, so that's pretty good, and it shows results were quite good this week. So I'm going to get that and then get that tracked, so then I don't have to manually do it, so you guys can follow. Oh, also we've got the bot linked up as well. Let me get that up. So there's quite a few things. It's because I don't do these updates enough. We've got a bot. Let me get this bot up. We've got the bot which is open for you guys to copy, and it's the EA. So here we go. This is the current bot at the moment, which is on a live account. So it's a real account, and it's Icon FX, and continue. We're up $80 this week, and the bot's running, so 0.16% so far. I want to try and keep the risk minimal, because these EAs and these bots really can blow your account, which I don't want to do, but that is available. And if you want that, you can just click on the link tree. When you click on the link tree, just message me. I don't know where it is, message me. So broker referral, and then you can just message me wherever that is on this link tree, and then we'll get that set up. And obviously the signals as well for the guys, you get this content part, which is part of the signals, and our signals is killing it. So I'm trying to promote this and put this more forward out now as a bit of a no-brainer. So it's only $49.99 a month. What else is there in terms of update? Oh, I am working on more of a flowchart diagram. So basically, Anton's given me quite a few things to review. So I'm going to make a flowchart diagram of a step-by-step process, which will be coming soon. So it will be in this kind of format. And you basically, it's like a checklist, right? So let me get up an example of it. I'm sure he doesn't mind me sharing just one of them. Let me find it. And it's more of the process of, like, something like this, right? So I'll just show part of it just in case he doesn't want to share it, but something like this. It'll be a flow diagram where yes or no, and then you can go through the whole chart. So I'm in the process of creating something like this as well, and then I'm sure this will be very beneficial for the APM members and also Signal members. So then this, you can just literally follow step by step. Does this work with your trading journal? Does this work with your plan? Is this part of your trading strategy? And is this what you want to, if the results you're going to get, is that going to help you? So that's pretty much it so far. A quick little update. We'll be doing live trading a few more. I'm trying to commit to at least 2 times a week. Also, we have the journaling sessions, which is on Sunday, and the sessions on Sunday I normally go through the market conditions, but as request, we can actually go through more the self-development side of things. So what is it that I've learned, some of the mistakes that I've made, and some of the things that I do better. So I'll be sharing my journal a bit more. This way I think it keeps us all a bit more accountable and moving forward. So that's pretty much it. So remember to like, share, subscribe on the new YouTube channel, which we're killing it on. There's already 574 in 4 weeks, which is really cool. It's growing at a really fast pace, better than all my other channels. So I'm pretty happy with that. And then last but not least, don't forget to check out our courses, our content, and all that stuff. I'm not sure why the website's down. I need to get on that again, and the website will be back up soon. All right, why we champ out? Peace. That's that recording done. Let me just upload that. Trading is super fun though right now. I'm absolutely loving it. What's happening to Feek? Is Euro crashing? Why is Euro AUD and Euro NZD not moving? I think Euro AUD is gonna fucking rip. I'm waiting for Euro NZD to pop up, and then we'll look for a pattern day. So this will be the idea. So that's the idea. Just set that back into Telegram. GBP-AUD should actually have a breakout today, so we'll see what happens. And I'm expecting Euro AUD as well. I'm expecting Euro AUD to break out of this top region. Can you guys all hear me okay? Just want to make sure because the microphone keeps cutting in and out. Can you all hear me okay? Can you all hear me okay? Okay. My microphone keeps cutting in and out. Got a really loose connection. Loose goose. Do you know what? I prefer Euro AUD over Euro NZD. But the problem is I'm already in GBP AUD. Right, time for a TikTok, baby. I've been working hard on growing the TikTok account. Nearly 4,000. So currently live, and this is the current trade at the moment. GBP AUD, we had one loss on GBP NZD and also GBP JPY. So this was broken down. It's my journal here where I've written down the reasons for the trade, the confluences, and also what happened when it hit loss as well. So I've got one more try today where I'm waiting for Euro NZD. This is the requirement that I need. And Euro AUD also does look to break out, but because GBP AUD is, I'm already in this, I don't want to be exposed to Euro AUD. So I'm just going to wait patiently for Euro NZD where the alert is sent, signal is sent, and we're also alive to share. So I'll share this on Sunday when I do a full week breakdown and see if this hits take profit. It's currently live. An altcoin. Dancing away to the music. I'll wait patiently for this trade. Once these two trades are done, I'll be done for the day. Euro's really struggling. Oh snap, you can actually paste this in here. I'm going to leave that here once we leave the trade. It's kind of like in the way though. Euro NZD melted. GBP NZD look like it's going to pop. Check the news quickly. 3 trades today. GBP JPY, GBP NZD, both losses, and then GBP AUD. This should probably put me in just a tiny bit of profit today. Are we going to break out? You guys think GBP AUD is going to break out? Wonder if GBP NZD is going to give us a push. I'm interested to watch what happens. And then I'll switch back to Euro. The Euros have just dropped. I wonder if that's a fake out or not. GBP AUDs hit this upper resistance, which was the Tokyo high and also the high of the week. If we break above this, then yeah, we've got quite a nice way to go. Then I'll probably look to add position. So high of the week. Color. Ooh. Oh. Gonna set an alert on Euro AUD as well. Just annotating my charts. It's just easier for people to follow. Question is GBP NZD going to break? Next 10-minute bar is in now. If GBP NZD is going to push, it's going to push now. I just watched GBP AUD. Anyone else in this trade? How are you guys all doing this Friday? I'm gonna finish up soon and then just get admin stuff. You must do this. So, for example, Eurocad going to dip soon. I've got the opposite on my charts, but it doesn't mean that you're wrong. It's just my charts will tell me different. My charts are telling me that the next 20 minutes is going to decide, but the 4 hours does look higher. GBP CAD also has been in this range for ages, so as soon as it breaks out this 159.1.6 mark, this is going to the moon. So it could actually push up, but we'll see. You know, this could melt as well because look, Euro NZD and Euro AUD have dropped, so we'll see what happens. I'm currently still just watching and waiting for GBP AUD. Slow burner. But wait for this. As soon as this presses above 1.78 on GBP AUD, I'll be quite happy. Start watching paint dry. Part of trading though. I also think DAX is going to push. All the links are in the bio. So we use Icon and IC Markets and Icon. So I'll get the links up for you. Appreciate if you use the links because it helps support the channel. Icon are actually paying for the signals as well if you trade with them. So if you want free signals, Icon will do it. You just have to sign up. Right, I need to do some property stuff in a minute, so I will stop the stream. Do you know what? I'm just going to mute the stream. I will be here, but I'm just going to crack on with some stuff. Okay, what's happening back? Pretty much like close to finishing today, to be fair. Can you hear me? What's happening, Ollie? You can unmute your mic and stuff. You're full-time trader now, right? Too? You're full-time. What's happening, Ant? Welcome back. Yo, Dan, follow your Instagram. Love your vids. Would love to get some tips, and we'll be tuning in more. Yeah, for sure, man. Love the name King of Hearts, by the way. What lot sizes are you using? 10 lots on this account and 5 lots. I don't know why that matters, but people are always interested in this type of questions. From Malaysia, what's happening? I thought you was long on BTC. I was actually longed a while back and then lost it. Just waiting at the moment. No idea how to comment. Is this it? No, you can talk. There is you can unmute your mic and talk to me. Be my friend, Ollie. Be my friend. All right, let me just do one more phone call. Probably. Right, I is back. God, it's a busy day today. Let's play some music. What's going on with GPAUD? Oh, it's looking good still. Is that a position to add? I'm gonna shake my shoulders and add to this trade. All right, that's another live session done. There really isn't much right now. We've got these few trades out open. We've gone through a review today. We've gone through some marks. It's pretty cool to see you guys all tune in. We will be back again next week. I'll do a session on Sunday for just the APM, and we'll do another session. We'll do it on Monday. I can commit to Monday, so we'll be live on Monday trading as well. Okay, so thanks for joining, everyone. Peace out. I've got more calls and shit to sort out. So other than this, we're just waiting for GBP AUD. GBP NZ. Oh shit, GBP NZD went for it. That was good. Euro AUD, Euro NZD waiting. I've got the alert here, so then I'm waiting for the entry requirement. And Euro AUD, I need to wait for a confirmation because this could be a pattern A to the downside. But GBP AUD is moving. So that's it. Love, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you all tomorrow.